How's toes?
Pretty good. This one just keeps getting numb here and there, but I haven't unloosening it.
Okay.
So it seems to be helping. This boot just feels tight.
Talk me the lodge you gotta do.
I'm good for now.
It's 2 o'clock.
What time did you say you wanted to leave?
I do a few runs here. Like
Yeah.
a few over there. So gotta be out of here by 3:30. This one closes.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know if the whole resort closes at 3:30 or 4.
Alright, then yeah.
But
We'll just do our thing.
yeah, we can go another hour, hour and a half.
I sometimes just get so uncontrolled speed going down those moguls sometimes.
Yeah.
My problem is I try to go in the crevices, so then I get that fucking zip from like the ice or like the current turn, where I need to be going over top of the bumps.
I know, I do the same. Definitely don't have the skills to get through them.
My one friend, his name's Mark. We call him Mogul Mark. It's all he likes to do. First run of the day, every time he always brings it straight to a mogul. I'm like, dude, I'm not fucking skiing with you for the first run. It's ridiculous trying to make me do a mogul. Just got here. Like,
dude, the pounding on the knees and hips.
Yeah.
Even your back and stuff is just like, just not into it. Getting yard all the time.
Fuck that. Sun's trying to shine.
See a woodpecker?
Oh, right there. Huh.
I noticed that on the map.
That's funny.
Let me get that up there. It's pretty good.
Yeah. Where did we just come down? Is it this? To the left or the right? I guess we did come out from the right side, so yeah.
Yeah, I think it came down there.
This one right here, I think. So I do remember seeing the lift going up on the left, or on the right. I love how all the trees just get blasted and like frozen off like that. It is.
Nice picture right there.
Mm-hmm.
Glowing sun, white trees.
I got it on my camera, it's recording, so.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Perfect. Good still shot.
Ooh, that sun is shining.
Bird. That little pocket.
You can actually see the ground. Holy shit.
burned a hole.
I know. Holy crap.
What are you feeling?
Doesn't matter. Holy crap.